When you finish a round of maintenance and send the report to your client, what they should see is your agency, your logo, your colors, your contact details, not the tool you use to do the work. In this video, we will set up your branding once, generate a polished, client-ready report, and export it as HTML or PDF. Let's begin. From the dashboard toolbar, open Settings, then Report Settings. A modal opens with every setting that affects the look of your client reports. You only need to fill this in once. Every report you produce from this point on uses what you enter here. The modal is split into three sections: agency information at the top, logo in the middle, and report options at the bottom. Start with your agency name. This shows up at the top of every report, right next to your logo. Email and phone become the contact line in the report footer. If you would rather not publish a phone number, leave it blank. Just an email is fine. Address is optional. Fill it in and it appears in the footer. Leave it empty and the line is hidden cleanly. No awkward placeholder. Website URL becomes a clickable link in the footer so clients can jump straight to your site. Click Upload Logo and pick your file. PNG, JPG, or SVG all work. A transparent PNG is best. The report header uses a white background, so anything with built-in padding will sit cleanly. Once it uploads, the current logo appears here as a preview, so you can confirm it's the file you intended. Below that, the accent color. Use the picker or paste a hex code directly from your brand guidelines. This color drives headings, dividers, and highlights throughout the report. Match it to your brand, and the whole document starts to feel like it came from your studio. The intro message is the opening line on every report. Something like, "Here is this month's maintenance report," works for most agencies. You can rewrite this on a per-report basis later, so don't worry about getting it perfect now. At the bottom, the Powered by WP Maintenance Manager checkbox. It's off by default. Turn it on if you want to credit the tool that generated the report. Most agencies leave it off. That is the whole point of white labeling. Click Save. Your branding is locked in. Now head back to the maintenance log and select the runs you want to include in this report. 1 site, 10 sites. Pick whatever is relevant for this client. Generate the report. The preview opens with everything wired up. Your logo top left, the month and year top right, your intro message, a summary line, and a card for each site showing the verification details. If your runs included before and after screenshots, those appear under each site too. Anything in this preview is editable. Include screenshots stays on by default. Uncheck it if you want a lighter, text-only version. Click Edit Text, and you can rewrite the intro for this specific client, add a per-site note, or fine-tune the wording wherever you want. When the report looks right, export it. Save HTML keeps it interactive, useful for an email body or a client portal. Save PDF gives you a clean attachment ready to send. Both files use the brand and contact details you set up earlier, so whichever format you choose, the report goes out looking like it came from your agency. That is how to set up white label reports in WP Maintenance Manager. Configure your brand once, and every report from this point on goes out under your name, because it is your work.